In today's video, I'll show you how to loop YouTube videos on your Android and iOS devices. With tons of new content being uploaded to YouTube every day, viewers are at no loss for something new to watch. But sometimes you don't want something new, so setting a video to loop over and over again can be a good option. Looping a video can be helpful if you are learning a new skill from a YouTube tutorial, or if you simply want an ambient video to continuously play in the background at an event. Now, in order to set up the feature on your mobile device, watch this video very carefully and follow these simple steps. First, go to YouTube application on your mobile device, then tap on it to open. And now navigate to the video you want to loop. Tap the screen to reveal the icon. Now here you can see the three horizontal dots, tap on it. In here you can see various options available that pops up from the bottom of your screen, so go to the loop video option and tap on it. Now you need to note that the loop option does not appear in the pop-up if the advertisement before your video is still playing. You must wait for the ad to end before you can loop. So if you ever change your mind and you want to turn off the loop feature, then go to top right corner of your screen and tap onto the three horizontal dots from your video menu. And from the options below, go to loop video option and tap on it. This way you can turn on and off the loop feature on your YouTube videos. And this was the easiest way to do it. So that was it for today, guys. Thanks for watching the video. Don't forget to hit the like button if the video was helpful. Subscribe to the channel and stay updated for more videos like this. Bye bye.